So India, first of all, is an extremely dynamic market with a dynamic young population, eager to develop, and for us it's a very, very interesting market. And especially when it comes to the field of the solution business, we see tremendous opportunities here, and then to create these solutions, to build the solution that really addresses the customer's need. And we decided to build here a solution center, build up a team to develop together with the customers the right solutions for India, but then more than that, for the world.
And if I may add on to that, from the India point of view, we would like to be able to participate in some of the big trends in the market, the modernizing of the infrastructure, the urbanization, the rise of large cities, the digitization of those cities, the need to provision infotainment solutions, information, entertainment, data, instantly and with high quality. Those are some of the trends that we want to participate in, not to mention the growth in the industrial output in the country.
So specific innovations that also are going to kind of a little bit revolutionize the way how to address these issues would be around our building visualization solutions. So we have quite revolutionary new technology to allow for digital lifestyle in buildings, and which also means a better means of consuming mobile services. So not only having coverage specifically, but also having the capacity to really enjoy the richness of all these mobile applications. So that's one example. Another example is around our IoT capability, where we bring to India a complete solution offering, complete comprehensive stack that allows to address our customers' challenges, not only via products, but also with a software platform that helps them make the data linked back to the backend systems and put data analytics on top of that. And all that complemented by a set of services that make a very compelling solution that helps our customers resolve business problems.
And to build on that, that entire capability which Juergen just spoke about is available now from the Bangalore Customer Solution and Experience Center. So this is a capability where customers can come and test the solutions, troubleshoot the solutions, and indeed undertake development of specific requirements that they may have.
So one, linking back to the in-building solutions, is a product called Cable. It's a system that allows you to better provide coverage and capacity into buildings, and hence drive the customer experience up. Second is a set of products, containers, readers, as well as a strong software and services on the IoT space, which is based on RFID technology.
And indeed, on top of that, one of the unique capabilities that we have as Kathrein is the ability to layer different solutions. So we would have the cable providing connectivity inside a building or on a campus. We would then be able to complement that with infotainment solution, the ability to provide and manage different kinds of information signals, satellite or wireless or terrestrial. And then on top of that further to have actual applications that such campuses or buildings may use. For example, indoor navigation in a large shopping mall or on a large campus. So we start with the connectivity layer and go all the way up to the application layer for our customers. So as you know, the spectrum discussions are just starting. If the spectrum is allocated, let's say by the end of this year, and once the standardization globally is done, which is expected to be sometime in 2018-19, we then feel that the first 5G deployments will be seen in the market somewhere in the 2019-2020 time frame. Before that, however, there will be immediate technologies to provide faster speeds, a better quality of experience for the customers, and that will take several forms, such as a densification of the networks, and our KBAU solution will play into that, such as specialist antenna types, where again we are one of the leaders and very, very strong with a wide portfolio of such products which we can bring to the markets, multi-band antennas, active antennas which are more technologically sophisticated. So while 5G is a bit of a journey over the next 2 to 3 years, there are several steps there for which we are very well prepared, and we actually look forward to providing that in this market. Let me start. I would imagine that some of the challenges are the ones that we have seen earlier. They have to do with what we might call the 3 A's: affordability, availability, and accessibility. For any service to achieve scale, it needs to be affordable, it needs to be available across the length and breadth of the country, and in terms of the usability, it needs to be really simple, it needs to be accessible very easily. If these 3 challenges are solved, or I should say, when these 3 challenges are solved, we will see the sort of take-up that we have seen for 2G, 3G, and now 4G. We actually have a fairly wide spectrum of partnerships, not just with operators, but also with system integration companies, for example, service companies, in the field of Internet of Things with RFID tag providers. So we work very much on the basis of what is it that a customer requires to solve their business problem, and then we work backwards from there using our solutions and complement that with our partners' capabilities.